Nickelodeon's Dora the Explorer, the Friendship Fiesta. Dora's ready for a friendship adventure. She's off to gather her friends for the Friendship Fiesta. But Dora doesn't know how to get to the fiesta. Who should she ask? See, the map. Map says that Dora needs to find her friends, then cross the bright blue bridge, and that's how she'll get to the Friendship Fiesta. First, Dora skips over to Boots' house. "Hola, Boots," says Dora. "Ready for the Friendship Fiesta?" "Yay! The Friendship Fiesta!" says Boots. "Let's find all our friends and go," says Dora. "Come on, vámonos!" At the river, Dora and Boots see Tico. He's bringing nuts to the fiesta. But someone wants to swipe those nuts. It's Swiper. To stop Swiper, Dora and Boots say, "Swiper, no swiping." Dora, Boots, and Tico go to Isa's flowery garden. "Isa," says Boots, "it's time for the Friendship Fiesta." "I'll bring some flowers," says Isa. Dora and her friends set out for the fiesta, but Swiper is still following them. "That sneaky fox will try to swipe my flowers," says Isa. So everyone says, "Swiper, no swiping!" Dora, Boots, Tico, and Isa go to Benny's barn. "Benny," says Boots, "it's time for the Friendship Fiesta." "Yay!" says Benny. Now Dora and her friends are ready to cross the bright blue bridge. But there's Swiper. "I don't think he wants to swipe anything," says Dora. "He wants to come to the Friendship Fiesta too. Let's invite him." "Lohichimos! We did it!" says Dora. "We all made it to the Friendship Fiesta together." The end. Thank you so much for spending time with me reading this book today. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!